You keep hearing about AI, artificial intelligence. It could feel a bit out there, right? Abstract.
Mm-hmm.
But, what's the structure underneath? How's it actually being managed? That's what we're digging into today.
Exactly. We're looking squarely at something called an AI governance framework.
So think of this as your quick guide. What is an AI governance framework?
Okay. In essence, it's really a set of guidelines, processes too, designed to steer how AI gets developed and how it gets used.
Steer it how?
Well, the fascinating part is making sure AI is built and deployed, responsibly and effectively.
Okay, so it's kind of like having a blueprint for building and using AI in the way that makes sense.
That's a really good way to put it, yeah. It gives you a structure for figuring out who's responsible for what, how open these AI systems should be.
Transparency, yeah.
Exactly, transparency. And how to handle potential problems when they crop up. Because let's face it, as AI gets woven more into our daily lives, these frameworks become super important.
Definitely. You can see how things could get messy fast without some clear rules of the road. What sort of things do these frameworks usually cover?
Well, they often get into specifics like keeping data secure, making sure that AI systems actually work reliably.
Yeah, they do what they're supposed to do.
Precisely. And ensuring there are clear steps if, something goes wrong. Which raises a big question. How do you actually make sure AI systems perform as intended and give you the results you expect? Governance frameworks try to set up the standards and procedures to tackle those practical issues.
So it's not just the tech itself, the algorithms and data, but how it gets used and managed out there in the real world.
Exactly right. And that's why putting these frameworks together usually needs input from lots of different people. Tech folks, legal experts, ethicists. What stands out to you as a key reason we need these?
For me, I think it's the accountability piece. Knowing who's actually in charge.
Mm-hmm.
If an AI system makes a decision that affects someone, well, someone needs to be answerable, right?
That's absolutely critical in an app. A well-designed framework should lay out clear lines of responsibility and oversight. It's fundamentally about building confidence, confidence in AI, by making sure there are ways to address issues, learn from them, and continuously improve how these systems operate.
So basically, as AI gets bigger and more integrated, these frameworks become even more crucial for shaping how it develops. It's about being proactive, not just reactive.
Exactly. It's about encouraging that progress, that innovation, but also making sure AI is used in ways that are, beneficial and controlled.